Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through how to request a payout on Glossgenius whether you are using the mobile app or the web browser. I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. If you are on the Glossgenius mobile app, here's how to get paid instantly. First tap into features and then payouts, or you can simply tap your payout balance from the main dashboard. You will see your available balance and the option to create an instant payout. Tap the Payout Now button, enter the amount you would like to receive. Remember, there's an additional 1.8% fee for instant payouts. Confirm your selection by tapping Payout Now once more. That's it. The funds will be sent to your linked bank account within 1 minute. If you prefer using your computer, here's how to do it on the Glossgenius website. Click on the Payments and then Payouts from the left-hand side navigation menu. You will see your available balance and an option for Insert Payout if you are eligible. Click the Payout Now button, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind the 1.8% instant payout fee will be applied. Click Payout Now again to confirm. The funds will hit your linked bank account in about a minute. Instant payout have a 1.8% fee on top of the regular processing fee. There's a minimum payout amount of 51 cents and the maximum cap of 9,999 per instant payout. And that's it. Super simple and super fast. How you know exactly how to get paid instantly on Glossgenius. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.